very happy. I'm very, very happy. Hi, this is Sonal Chauhan and a big, big hello to all the India Glitz viewers. I don't think it's changed me as a person. I think it just made me a busier person. That's it. Apart from that, nothing really. I'm just working as hard as I was doing it earlier, and yeah, I'm just hoping and keeping my fingers crossed that the audience appreciate and like me as much as they liked me in Legend, or maybe more. Well, I think with every experience that you have in life, you learn a lot, and so did I. I was very young when I did Rainbow. I was, in fact, studying at that time, and I had to go back and finish my studies. So I learned a lot after Rainbow in terms of education. And apart from that, I think with every experience, every day, there's so much to learn. So I'm learning even now. It's a very, very nice role, and I think I'm very fortunate that I've got to play such a strong role so early in my career, and I'm really hoping and waiting for the audience's reaction. But I can't thank Gopi Garu enough for giving me such a strong and a different role from the everyday roles that I get offered, so early in my career. So I had a lot of fun playing that character because it's completely different from me. I'm not like that in personal life. So as an actor, it really challenged me and I loved it. Yes, I'd watched a lot of movies for reference, and that's when I realized that Sridevi from Ladla was the closest to it, and yeah, I think Gopi Garu helped me a lot every time. With every scene, he would help me understand the character and understand the scene. So I just hope that I've done justice to it. Yes, we're both Taurians. I think the sun signs itself have a lot in common. I mean, we're both foodies. We both love eating. He's also a very calm person. Off screen, he's an introvert. I've also always been an introvert all my life. So I sort of do relate to him, and I understand where he's coming from. So I don't know whether it's because of the sun sign or what, but he's a fantastic guy, and I'm a fantastic girl. No, jokes apart, he's a really nice guy, and it was a fantastic experience working with him. Like, he's known as the energetic star, and really, like, there's so much to learn from him when it comes to giving your 2000% into everything that he does. So he was an inspiration. I used to sit and actually look at him and get inspired by him. He's a great guy, very, very, very warm person, very genuine, and a very nice, real person. She actually did, yeah. She has. She suggested. In fact, now I've started eating my lunch from this place that she made me once try the food from, and she suggested a lot of other places also. So I think she is very sorted when it comes to food in Hyderabad. So every time I have any confusion, I just have to pick up the phone and call Rakul and ask her where to call my food from. Yeah, we have a beach song which is called Dorikare. It's a fantastic song that Taman Garu has given us, and it's a very catchy beat, and I'm sure the audience will love it. And it looks really, really. Samir Reddy Garu told me before we shot the song that this is a song that will be remembered for the next many years to come. And I thought, okay, and whatever. But then when I saw it, and even before I saw it, everyone came and told me that this is one of the best beach songs ever shot. In fact, Ram told me that even before I'd seen the song. And honestly, I cannot thank Samir Reddy Garu enough for making me look so good, and making me look even better than what I am. So he's a rock star. interesting moments, but one moment that I cannot ever forget is when we were shooting in Portugal in a place called Algarve, where you know, these people, just because the frame looked really nice, made me and Ram stand on top of a cliff, and just on the edge of the cliff, and it was the breeze was really strong, so like just one gust of wind and we both would have fallen, and I was supposed to sit on his shoulder. So that is one experience that I think I'll never be able to forget, and it was very scary. I thought I'm going to die, but I'm fine. So it's okay, all's well. No, there was no episode. You know, these are just people's imaginations, and like that, I'm sure there will be somebody's overactive imagination will again start working, and something else will come up. But no, if your question is whether I'm dating someone or not, I'm absolutely single, and I'm very happy. I'm very happy. Politics is something that I find very interesting. I'm very fascinated by it. I take a very keen interest in politics. I don't know if I'm going to be in politics, but yes, I would love to be a part of politics and make a difference. I think the country needs you know, younger people, progressive people, because I think we are a very wealthy country when it comes to you know, like when it comes to, of course, you know, we were known as like one of the richest countries in terms of culture, and there's so much that, you know, the country can do, and we have such intelligent people who are going outside the country and working. So I think as a youth of the country, I would definitely love to get into politics, or in any way if I can make a difference and make the country progress. I'll tell you when it happens. Hi guys, I'm Sonal Chauhan. My film Pandaga Chesco releases on 29th of May 2015. Please go and watch the film, and trust me, you will not be disappointed. Pandaga Chesco.
Pandaga Chesco, Baba yo, Pandaga Chesco.